modern energy is not mysterious. Today, the world uses two types of energy: electricity and motion. The fuel source may change, but the results are the same. The word energy makes it sound hard to understand. Energy is never created but converted from a fuel source to electricity or motion. Believe it or not, most of the energy that is used today is converted to motion. That motion can be converted into electricity or used for transportation. Think about the standard renewables. The motion of the wind and water is converted to electricity. Think about the heat from the burning of fossil fuels, the heat from nuclear power, and heat from solar mirrors. That heat is converted to electricity. Currently, there are only two converters that don't use motion for electricity: the hydrogen fuel cell and the solar panel. The hydrogen fuel cell uses a chemical process to convert hydrogen gas to electricity. Solar panels use photovoltaic materials to convert sunlight to electricity. There are only three systems that convert motion for transportation: the combustion engine, the electric motor, and the turbine. The combustion engine is a converter, converting the burning fossil fuel to motion. The electric motor is a converter, converting electricity to motion. The turbine has many forms and converts the burning of fossil fuels to the motion of air. The newest converter is the MECREGEN system. It converts electricity to motion, and that motion can be converted back to electricity or used for transportation. It is the only system that can be used for electricity or transportation that is renewable. The MECREGEN system, in either configuration, the MECREGEN renewable engine or the MECREGEN renewable generator, provides the world with clean renewable energy. Ending the world's reliance on fossil fuels, ending the burning of fossil fuels for transportation and electricity generation, and mitigating the increase in climate change. The MECREGEN system is bringing the world clean renewable transportation and clean renewable electricity. For more information, go to our website www.mecregen.com. We can be contacted at info@mecregen.com. Thank you for your time.